Hi, I'm James with Edge Insurance Agency, and I'm also the co-coordinator for the Emerging Leaders Workshops. This coming month, we have a fantastic workshop brought to you by Dave Marcolla of the Dave Marcolla Group. Here he is to tell you a little bit more about that.
Thanks, James, and I'm thrilled for us to get together again at my offices to have our next Emerging Leaders Workshop June 2nd, where we're going to talk all about You Incorporated. So what does that mean? Well, that means that each one of us is an opportunity to build our own brand, be our own influence in the community, and our own best business person. So as a young professional and a new leader potentially in your business, this is an opportunity to learn some of the tips and tricks and things that I've shared many times with team members and other business members in our community about how they can go about branding themselves, their business, creating a name for themselves in the community, and really growing their business and themselves to the next level. So we hope you can join us and take advantage of that next workshop June 2nd at 5 p.m. at Keller Williams in Newtown.
Yep, and make sure to register at the link below. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening.